This cat sat stubbornly on a faded parking lot line, refusing to move no matter how many cars honked at her. Drivers shouted, thinking she was just another stray blocking the way. But she stayed planted, pacing back and forth, crying softly, as if guarding something no one could see. When one person finally stepped out to shoo her away, they noticed a dark crack in the paint beneath her paws. Inside, it was a tiny kitten, legs stuck in hot tar, barely able to breathe. The cat pressed close as help arrived, watching every move until the kitten was gently freed. She wasn't being careless or stubborn. She was standing between her baby and the world until someone finally noticed.